Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to show you and share with you guys the super easy look that I did for this past Christmas. So starting with the bare face, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the Badescu rose water, followed by the Belif Aqua Bomb to add that extra moisture to my skin, since I do have a little bit on the drier side skin. Starting off with the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium honey, I'm going to go ahead and conceal my under eyes. And I'll be using the Real Technique Beauty Sponge. Now, although this step isn't needed because the Shape Tape it doesn't really require much setting, but I set it a little bit with the RCMA no color powder. And just like that, my brows are done. So I've primed my lids with the MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. And I used Tempera from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette all over the lid to set it. Alright, so now for the transition color that I've used, I went in with Warm Taupe using a Sonia Kashuk fluffy blending brush. Now going in with Antique Bronze, I went ahead and used this to darken up the hollows of my eyes. Now I'm going to pick up Cypress Umber and I'm going to put this right on the outer corner of my eye, sort of like into a V shape. And what I'll do is I'll actually just pack it on first and then I'll use a blending brush to blend it all out. Picking up Venetian Red, and I'm going to put this right in the crease of my eye because I want that slight bit of color. And to top it off, I'm going to use the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Smoky Storm. Now these dry fairly quickly, but I want to make sure that it dries down first, so that's why I'm keeping my eyes closed. Going back to Venetian Red, I'm going to go ahead and put this also on the outer corner of my eye. I've taken Vermeer and I've added it to my brow bone as a highlight. Tucking the hair back and moving on to the foundation, which I'll be using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting 2-in-1, I think it's what it's called, in the shade Alabaster. spreading it all out with my beauty blender. Now I'm going back to the Shape Tape because I want to conceal my under eyes a little bit more. Dipping into the Lorac Pirates of the Caribbean edition for the cheeks, and for the bronzer I'll be using Lost Soul. Using a Morphe White Tan brush, this actually fits perfectly in the hollows of my cheeks. Now taking my Lexi 504 large angled brush, I'm going to flesh my cheeks with the shade Caribbean. Followed by the highlight in Destined. And I'm applying this with a Lexi 522 tapered highlighter brush. And lately I've been digging this Tarte Maneater liquid liner. It actually has a felt tip and it has quickly become one of my favorites. It's so good. It glides on so effortlessly and it dries down like matte black. Perfect precision felt tip. Now for the lower lash line, I started also with the same colors as I did above, starting with a warm taupe, a little bit of Venetian red, and cypress umber to darken it up a little bit. Prepping my lashes for some falsies, and I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara. This is the Benefit Roller Lash. So I've already added my lashes and I use the Ardell Natural Lashes. Now I'm just going to highlight the inner corner of my eye with the highlighter shade in Fortune. This was probably the hardest step of all because my eyes kept watering and I usually don't do this very often. I lined my waterline with the Sephora waterproof black liner, lower and upper. Just watch. Now that was it for the eyes. Moving on to the lips. Lining my lips first with the Sephora red lip liner, and I'm going to be filling it in with the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in Beso. Mwah. That was the finished look. I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday season. I wish you all a happy new year, and thank you so much for your support and tuning in. Thanks for watching, guys, and God bless.